In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. To make sure your password will be automatically filled to any website of your choosing, you need to begin by opening Settings. Then scroll down a tiny bit to click General. And scroll again, this time to click on Autofill and Passwords. Here, make sure this switcher next to Autofill Passwords and Passkeys is green. This one next to Passwords is green as well. And over here, if you don't have anything added, you need to click on Setup Codes In and pick Passwords App. When you finished, go back and click on Passwords app located in Utilities folder. This one. After tapping on Passwords app, you will need to enter your current passcode. Now to add a password, use this plus at the bottom right corner. And over here, input all of those informations, website or label. I will go with Facebook. Username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're ready, click on this check mark at the top right corner to add your password. So when I do that, I can see that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!